should we keep?
Caught that sculpin, baby. Woo! Shit. What's up, everybody? I'm on a new vessel. It is the, wait for it. That's right, the Hobie Mirage Lynx. Just got this yesterday evening, and this is my first time trying it out. I think I got a video of the launch. So we're gonna turn the feet off. And the launch was good. You can stand up really easily if you want to be standing and fishing. Yeah, I mean, we'll see how this goes. This will be my first session with it. I'm really excited. It's my first time, I think, not using an inflatable, because before my Hobie inflatable, I had a, if you see one of my first videos, just an old Nova, I think it's the name, Nova, kayak. Wasn't a fishing kayak or anything, no pedal drive or anything. So I think I've pretty much always just been on that inflatable tip. So good with this Lynx. Even though I don't have a lot of storage room, I do have enough storage for this. It'll be in a secure place. So I decided to make that big purchase. I think I'll get a lot of use out of it, get my money's worth, and we'll see. So with that, I'm gonna leave you to it. So you can check out my fishing session today. Cheers. First cast, so just gonna drop it down right here. Let it drop down. You got one? Sculpin. It's a big boy. Yes. I don't know. I'm gonna net it so I don't have to touch it. Dude. Yeah. Sure. Look at that thing. See how cool they look? Or I'll get my lip grippers out. Sure. Actually, yeah. Can I get to yours easier? Probably not. I see mine anyway, actually. Dude. He looks meaty. Be careful.
I think he is big enough.
Careful, careful. Where's his mouth? Look for the north one, ideally. He's not gonna open. He's gonna budge. And now my
He's so fat, he's not that long. He log up.
Caught that Sculpin, baby. Woo! Shit. $13-incher, a little over 13. Whew. Nice spotty. If you want to. Probably not. God. Now I got him hooked on the other side, under the gill. Are you kidding me? There we go.
You usually see that thing.
Well, here, do you want to measure this or are you good?
Yeah.
Want to go? 13?
Oh, shit. 13.
That's what I figured.
Let him go?
Yep. Cheers, brew.
Me?
Yes. Says the guy with 8 fish for the day. 12 fish. No yellow belly on this one. Cheers, brew. This is a good spot too, huh? Well, I'm heading in because I'm starving. Haven't eaten much food today. But I will be eating some fish tonight, so I'm pretty happy about that. Overall, really enjoyed my time out, my first time out with the Lynx. I'm excited to rig this thing up a little better. I did, however, lose some gear today. I lost the old Android cell phone that I used as a fish finder. It's not my real phone, it's just an old Moto that I had from like 5 or 10 years ago. So I'm not super upset. I think I have a few other old phones in the old junkyard or graveyard of phones in my desk. But other than that, it was a really good time. My dad caught quite a few spotties. I caught a few spotties, and I caught a sculpin. So yeah, that was really fun. It's a beautiful day today. It was super choppy and windy at first. It cleared up a little bit. We hit slack tide, so it was chill. We hit all the way on the other side of the bridge behind me, and it was really active over there for a while, so we had a really good time. So with that, I'm gonna head in, get this fish on ice as fast as possible, and thanks for joining me today. Cheers.